So let's talk a little bit about attitude. I put attitude on the top of our business plan for a reason. We have motivation and product knowledge. But the reason attitude's at the top is because your attitude, are you excited about your product? Do you believe in your company? Do you believe in your product? Do you believe in yourself? And do you believe in your opportunity or services? Your attitude is what closes the deal. Now, most new sales professionals focus on product knowledge. Product knowledge is really important, and it will come with time. And yes, I'm not saying you shouldn't learn about your product, but study will come and you will develop a really strong product knowledge. But when you put more effort into focusing on your attitude as opposed to product knowledge, you're going to connect with people. How many people in this room have ever bought a product for someone who knew nothing?